Hi everyone, so this video will be about the screen label. Now what is a screen label? The screen label is like a mask that will replace the actual field name or the default field names that we have within the customer information field. And if we go into the agent interface from the old GUI, these are the default fields within the system. Now let's say you want to change one of these. Let's say you want to use address 3 as a company name. And instead of showing address 3, you want to see the actual field name that says company. Now we can do that from the back end or from the administration. Okay, so let me log this out. I'll show that to you from the old interface, administration, and go to system settings. Okay, now these gray fields are for the labels. Okay, there are two ways on how you can change the screen labels, either campaign specific or through the entire system. Okay, now first let me show you how to do that from the entire system, which is the easiest. So again, what we want to change is the label of address 3. Now I'm going to type in here the word company and then click on submit. Now going back to the old interface, I'm going to log in. And as you can see, address 3 is now changed to the word company or company field. Let's say you want to hide the title field. To hide the title field, what you can do is go back to the same settings from admin, system settings, and then scroll down. Look for the one that says label title. This. Triple dash, the word hide, and then another triple dash. Scroll down, submit. Now let's go back to the agent interface, log in. There, and as you can see now, the title field is hidden. Now for campaign specific, let's say you don't want it to update through the entire system. You just want it to be campaign specific because you have other uses for that same default fields within or on your campaign 2 or 3. So what we'll do, is instead of going to the system settings, go to screen labels and then create a screen label. Add an ID, or let's say I'll just call this Camp 1 label. And just put it here. Submit. And as you can see here, it shows the fields that we want to hide or change. So let's say I want to hide the title field again. So as you can see, same settings. Now click on submit. Okay, so as you can see here, it's not showing the screen label that we created. So what I'll do is I'll go back to the admin and go to screen labels. Make sure that it's active. Okay, submit. Okay, campaigns, modify. There. So you have to make sure that the screen label is active. Okay, now first let's log in. So remember that we added that screen label to campaign 102. Now let's log into campaign 101 and see what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, address 3 field, it's still the same name. Title is still here. Now if we log out and go to campaign 2 where we added the screen label, you'll notice that company or address 3 now says company and the title field is now hidden. So that's it. That's how you'll set up the screen labels.